Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I know that I have not posted a video in like 5 or 6 days, and it is because I have been like so busy this week. I have not really had the chance to like coupon how I really wanted to. So my husband is getting his car fixed, and the place that he has to go to get his car fixed, we have to drive like an hour and a half away because he has a sports car. So it's a particular dealership that has to fix his car. And so we've been having to stay in a hotel because it's, you know, it's an hour and away from where we live. And so I haven't had the chance to like really get any couponing done because we've been like on the go like almost every single day. But I am back and I am somewhat settled now. And while we were in the hotel, I was able to find a Walgreens. And so I just went in there really quick and I did do this transaction right here. So I'm going to explain this transaction to you guys. With this transaction, I did use 3 register rewards because I did this transaction on, I think I did it on yesterday, I believe. And I had 3 register rewards that were going to expire yesterday. So that's honestly the only reason why I went into Walgreens, because I wasn't going to do any couponing until we came back home, which is today, because we came back home today. But those coupons were expiring, so I needed to go ahead and use them. So I did use 3 register rewards. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have 2 Pampers Swaddlers, size 3. I have 2 Pampers Easy Up training underwears, size 4T through 5T. I have 3 of these nice storage bags, and this is the gallon size. And I have 2 of these Almay makeup remover pads. So let's go ahead and start with the Pampers. So this week at Walgreens, Pampers are on sale for $9 each. When you spend $25, you will receive 5,000 points. When you spend $20, you will receive 10 times the everyday points balance reward points. And then also on these Pampers, I used 2 digital coupons. I used the $3 off of 2 Pampers Swaddlers coupon. And then I also used the $3 off of 2 Pampers Easy Ups coupons. So 9 times 4 is $36. Minus the $6 that I used in the digital coupons brought my total down to just $30. And then remember, when you spend $25, you will get back 5,000 points. And then also you will get back the 10 times everyday points when you spend $20. So after using the digital coupons, it'll bring your total down to just $30, and you will get back a total of 8,600 points, which will make each of these packages of diapers just $5.35. Which is, you know, I think that's a decent price. I know that you can get them for cheaper, but I think $5.35 is a decent price compared to what the sale price is, which is $9. So I think that's a decent price for each pack of diapers. The next thing we have right here are the nice storage bags, and these are on sale this week. Buy 1 get 2 free, and these are priced at $2.79. So you will purchase 3. 1 will ring up for $2.79, and the other 2 will ring up for free. And so when you divide that $2.79 by 3, it'll make these gallon storage bags just 93 cents each. And so the last thing that I have right here are these 2 Almay makeup remover pads, and these are the 80 count. And so I just grabbed 2 of these. And so these at my store, they were priced at $5.79, and the deal is buy 1 get 1 50% off. And then also when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 off register reward. So 1 did ring up at $5.79, and the second one did ring up half off at $2.89, and I purchased 2. And I did receive my $5 register reward, which is right here. And then it says, save $5 off your next in-store purchase over the value of coupon. And it says, thank you from Revlon. So I received that. And then I did use a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that I had loaded to my account. So $5.79 plus $2.89 brings the overall total for both down up to $8.68. Minus the $3 off digital coupon, it'll bring your total down to just $5.68. Then you will get back this $5 off registry reward right here, which will bring your total to just 68 cents or 34 cents each, which is an amazing price for some Almay makeup remover pads. Now, I personally don't use these, but I do plan to, you know, put those into like little cute little beauty gift baskets and, you know, give them away. So that is a great deal. 34 cents each for those is a really, really great deal. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So right here, as you can see, oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that my Almay coupon did not come off. My $3 off of 2 Almay coupon did not come off, but I did contact customer service and they did credit my account with 3,000 points. So as you can see right here, buy one, get one 50% off. One did ring up at $5.79. The other one did ring up half off at $2.89. As you can see right here with the 3 nice storage bags, buy one, get 2 free. One did ring up at $2.79 and the other 2 did ring up free. And as you can see, I purchased the 2 Pampers Swaddlers for $9 each, so $18. And then I also purchased 2 of the Pampers Easy Ups at $9 each, so $18. I had a digital coupon for get 5,000 points when you spend $25, so that came off. I used a $3 off digital coupon for the Pampers Swaddlers, the $3 off digital coupon for the Pampers Easy Ups, the $2 off, $4 off, and $5 off registry rewards that were about to expire. This is what those are. And then as you can see, the $3 off coupon for the Almay did not come off. But like I said, I did contact customer service and they did credit my account with the 3,000 points. And so it brought my overall total to $30.47. And right here, I just changed it to $27.47 after I got off the phone with customer service. Once they did credit my account with the 3,000 points, I just subtracted $3 from the $30.47, and then this is what my total should have been. So $27.47. And then when you look down here, for my everyday points, I got back a total of 470. For my bonus points, I got back 14,230 points. And so with the 14,230 points, I got 5,000 points back for spending 25 on the Pampers. I got back 5,000 points when you spend $25 in a transaction. I got back 4,230 points for the February 14-day points multiplier. And I got back 470 points for the everyday points. So in total, I got back a total of 14,700 points along with this $5 registry reward. So in total, I got back around what, 19,700 points, which is $19. So my overall total was $27.47, and I got back a total of $19. Overall, I think that this is, you know, an amazing transaction. I just wanted to go ahead and get rid of those registry rewards because if I would not have used those, if I hadn't done any couponing on that day, then those registry rewards would have went to waste. And we don't do that over here. I do not allow my registry rewards to go to waste. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you this. I also submitted my Walgreens receipt to Fetch Rewards. I didn't have any qualifying offers, but just for scanning my receipt, I did get back a total of 25 points. So I am currently rebuilding my Fetch Rewards points up. At first, I think the highest I've gotten my points with Fetch Rewards, it was up to like over $30. I think like $37, almost $40. And then I cashed out for Walmart gift cards to do some Ibotta offers, and now I'm building my points back up. And I think right now I'm at like around 17,000, so at like $17. So I am continuing to build that. So that's why I try to make sure I tell you guys to make sure that you scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards, because those points add up. Those little 25 points, they add up. And if you guys are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have a link in the description box below so that you can sign up. I will also have my Fetch Rewards code on the screen for you guys to use. When you sign up, you will get 2,000 points, which is $2 when you use my code. And then I will also get 2,000 points. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, go ahead and use my link in the description box below, or use my code on the screen and go ahead and sign up so you guys can start earning some points. Also, you guys, if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy my content. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, because I love responding back to you guys. I do not mind responding back at all, and I do not mind answering any questions. So if you have some questions, ask. No matter what kind of questions they are, just ask, and I will most definitely respond back to you guys. Also, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, please give me a follow over there. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. So please, I would really appreciate if you guys can go ahead and give me a follow over there. And until next time, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.